Hello, my name is Anders Johnson, and today I'm going to talk about sending someone a drink on Facebook. Now, you can't literally send someone an actual drink on Facebook because it's digitally mediated technology, but you can send them a digital image of a drink as perhaps a suggestion for what you're going to get the next time you go out, or just to say, hats off to you, man, here's a drink, you're doing a great job. So the first thing you need to do is just go up to your search box in Facebook once you've logged in, and you can just type in send a drink. Now, this application will have a Coke can as its picture. And we're just going to wait a second and it'll load up. And then we'll be able to choose which drinks we can actually send. So here we go. Number 1, choose a gift to send. We can do milk, a pink martini, orange juice, water, a cocktail, or a beer. Now, personally, I'm going to send a beer. Now I'm going to pick the friend I want to send this gift to. So I think I'm going to send it to my friend Seth Gerard. Where are you? Here's Seth Gerard. So I click his name, it becomes highlighted, and then all I need to do is click send a drink request. Once you do that, your friend will be notified that their drink has arrived. My name's Anders Johnson, and today I've shown you how to send your friend a drink on Facebook.